Are you tired of dull, lifeless hair that just won't cooperate? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Aliexpress 100 Collagen Treatment. First up is the Aliexpress 100 Collagen Coating Hair Protein Treatment. Priced at just $7.60, this caught my attention because of its collagen-infused formula. If you want to add strength and elasticity to your hair, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Collagen is key in maintaining your hair structure and preventing breakage. With over 40,000 units sold just this past month, people are clearly curious. Just imagine how it could revitalize your hair, especially if you're dealing with split ends or brittleness. Now, some people complain that it can feel a bit heavy on fine hair. Here's the thing though, if your hair is already dry or damaged, it's going to soak this up, giving you the moisture you crave without causing excessive weight. But yeah, if you have super fine strands, it might not be your best bet. This is perfect for you if you've got damaged, dry hair and need a boost. Skip this one if your hair is naturally oily or fine, as it might just weigh it down. For the price, this is a steal for the benefits it offers. Now, if the weight issue worried you, the next product has a completely different approach. Product number 2, Arvazalia Hydrating Argan Oil Mask. Next, let's talk about the Arvazalia Hydrating Argan Oil Hair Mask. At $14.99, this one stood out because of its restorative properties for dry and damaged hair. If you're looking for deep hydration without the heaviness, this is definitely worth considering. This mask features pure argan oil, which is loaded with essential fatty acids and vitamins. With 30,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many are finding their hair rescue in this product. If you struggle with frizzy hair, this could be your go-to since it also helps tame the wildness while adding a lovely shine. However, some users found that it doesn't rinse out easily and can leave a residue. Here's the thing though, if you're using it on super dry hair, the extra residue might actually help seal in moisture. But if you're someone who prefers a lighter feel, you might find it annoying. This is perfect for you if your hair is parched and in desperate need of hydration. Skip it if you like lightweight products that rinse clean easily. For the benefits you get, this is a solid investment in maintaining your hair health. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for quick fixes. Product number 3, K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Mask. Coming in at a unique angle is the K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Hair Mask. While the price isn't specified, this patented formula is making waves due to its ability to reverse hair damage in just 4 minutes. If you want quick and effective repair, this is one to check out. This mask works at a molecular level to reconnect broken keratin chains, which is crucial if you've been through bleaching or heat styling. With 30,000 units sold, it's evident that people are looking for a fast solution. Imagine being able to rescue your hair in less time than it takes to scroll through social media. Some users mentioned they didn't see immediate results, which can be frustrating. But here's the thing, since it works on a molecular level, the effects might not be visible right away. Think of it more like a treatment that builds up over time. This is perfect for you if you're constantly coloring or heat styling your hair and need a fast solution. Skip this if you're looking for immediate visual results and prefer something that shows instant shine. For what it delivers, it's worth every penny if you want to reverse damage. Now, if you want something a bit more traditional, the next product has you covered. Product number 4, Mare Deep Conditioning Mask. Next up is the Mare Deep Conditioning Hair Mask, priced at $19.95. This product grabbed my attention because it's designed for those with curly, dry, or color-treated hair. If you're looking for hydration and growth, this one's worth considering. This mask is packed with keratin, which is essential for restoring your hair's natural moisture balance while also promoting healthy growth. With 20,000 sales recently, it's clear that many are putting their trust in this product for their hair transformation. If you're struggling with frizz or want to refresh your curls, this could be exactly what you need. However, some users felt it didn't provide enough slip for detangling. Here's the thing, if you're using it primarily for hydration and growth, the slip might not matter as much. It's about what your main goals are with your hair care. This is perfect for you if you have curly or color-treated hair that needs extra moisture. Skip it if you primarily need help with tangling or if your hair is fine and easily weighed down. For the price, you're getting a specialized treatment that could really pay off. Now, if you're after something that tackles dullness, the next product is just what you need. Product number 5, L'Oreal Paris Glossing Lamination Mask. Last but not least, let's look at the L'Oreal Paris Glossing Lamination Hair Mask. At $9.97, this product is all about shine and smoothness, especially for dull and dry hair. If you're longing for that shiny salon finish look, this is a great choice. Infused with glycolic acid, this mask helps to break down excess buildup while also enhancing your hair's natural shine. It's sold over 20,000 times recently, indicating a demand for that glossy finish. If you've been struggling with a lackluster mane, this could be the treatment you need to bring it back to life. That said, some customers noted that it didn't last as long as they hoped. Here's the thing, the gloss it provides is immediate, but you may need to use it regularly to maintain those results. If you're someone who enjoys frequent pampering, that might be just fine. This is perfect for you if you want a quick boost of shine without breaking the bank. Skip it if you're looking for serious repair rather than temporary gloss. For the price, this is a fantastic way to give your hair a quick makeover. So to wrap this all up, I've covered some amazing options for healthy hair treatment today. After looking at all 5 masks, it's clear there's something for everyone. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the K18 Leave-In Molecular Repair Mask because it offers quick, deep repair that's hard to beat. Avoid the MARE Deep Conditioning Mask if you need a good slip for detangling, as it may not meet that need. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.